Alright, right now I'm heading to the first spot, Seed and Smith Grow House and Dispensary. Grow House / dispensary, I should say. They finna take us to the back, show us how they grow the weed, let us see the process, and it should be a fun little thing.
So we're about 2 weeks over on the left-hand side, maybe around closer to 3 weeks in the middle there. And the older ladies in the far right, those are just shy of 6 weeks of age. So they got a little bit of time left to go. But we keep them in the back of our facility in a black spaghetti pot into each side. And it just feeds them right over the top of the soil for 15 minutes a day. That's it. See the bajillionaires now? They've figured it out. You gotta let the soil dry every single day. It is not a house plant. You don't want to keep it as moist as that. Let those salts naturally dissipate every damn day. You can see this purple punch crossed with peach crescendo. It smells so damn good. Yep, and it just comes out of there looking like honey. But we emulsify it, we whip it into this texture, put it in the fridge, and it solidifies.
How much does a jar like that cost?
All right, so when we do a resin extraction, like the big old tray I brought out, we get about 30 to 40% of a pound per pound when we extract that way.
Okay.
With this shit, when you squeeze your weed, it does not exist. This is a marketing tactic they use to get you to buy shit you ordinarily wouldn't even consider. And I can prove my point all the way to the finish line with my grand finale. The jar of grated Parmesan sitting on the table right there. I'm gonna grab her. We're gonna discuss the bullshit that is THC percentages. I promise that is not Parmesan. I'll be right back. I think is the most important shit in the world. And when we say THCA, we literally mean THC. Anything you have ever smoked in your life was THCA. It started out that way till you set it on fire. Then it became THC. So I'm just gonna call that this from now on. Save me a letter. And I'm here to tell I demand more. It's not a bad smell, no, it's just dull. If you're comparing it to everything else we've smelled beforehand, this is at the bottom of the list. That is for damn sure.
And what's that called again?
This is pure THCA, the isolate compound. 99.7% THCA, or just THC. And for my money, I get lemon pledge mixed with dry toast.
Yeah.
Cleaning product. It sucks, man. And when you smoke this by itself, it is.
Just left the Seed and Smith Cannabis tour, and I recommend it to anybody who into that type of stuff because it was free and you learn a lot, and it's only about 40 minutes, so it's real quick. But right now I'm about to head to the Smoking Paint, about 15 minutes from my hotel. I'm gonna meet y'all there.
Or vertical, whatever floats your boat. I always say if there's an aesthetic at home that you want to use that it, it's always cool to clean up your art in your home. So yeah. The first thing we're gonna do to kind of get started is take our big brush and we're gonna coat the canvas in water. The reason that we actually coat the canvas in water first is because we're using acrylic paint, and acrylic paint is actually water-based, not oil-based. So it does need a little bit of moisture to properly work.
See, you gotta take this is a real painting.
Yeah, I like to work just kind of quickly through it, but I promise you'll give enough time to let them together. Depending on what color you want to lighten up for your background, all of my displays are pink. Today I'm going to use black and make a gray background, but if you do want pink, just slap in some red instead of the black. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the smoke part. So whenever you're ready for that step, you can kind of just keep painting. I know we've all seen what smoke and like fog and all that stuff looks like. There's like a little bit of density to it, you have transparency to it. The way I like to do this is by starting off with a small brush and tapping it into the
Alright, we about to start day 2. Going to Boulder, Colorado. Check it out up there. Yesterday was so crazy I ain't even get all the footage, but today gonna be a better day. I'm gonna show y'all more, you feel me? Riding through Boulder. Some little cribs. Some crazy cribs. What's up, man? I just touched down in Boulder. Drove through the campus. Now I'm somewhere I don't even know where I'm at, but these views is crazy. It's a little park right here I'm about to go to next, but all these views is sun shining. It's just a good day. So I'm right here by this place called the Mountain Motel. I'm just thinking, for a motel, this got a crazy looking view. But I'm about to walk right back down here to this park. It's a waterfall down here, so I'm gonna show y'all what that's looking like. I gotta climb up over this. Go down these stairs. So right now, I'm about to try to see if I can get it to the stadium. I'm right here at the school. We gonna see, man. Come on. Made it to this gate to see the field. Now, I don't know if I can get inside the gate, but from right here, I can still see the field. And everything. But I ain't gonna test my luck. So I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm at one of these little scenic views right now. As y'all can see, it's crazy. As y'all can see, I done made my way to the top of a mountain. This little view, crazy. So I just got back from Boulder. I had to run back to the hotel and grab some. But I got a mountain tour. They about to take us into the mountains on a bus, 420 friendly, so that should be smooth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm finna take y'all with me.
Oh shit, this
Thank you.
We at Evergreen Lake right now. This is a frozen lake. You got some people right here fishing. And it's a good view, but I gotta hurry up and get back to the bus, man, before they leave me.
Looks like a spaceship. Yeah, it is. Let me see. Yesterday. It reminds me of the Jetsons.
Is it a house now? Yeah, someone actually owns it. So yeah, we both said that one from our work.
Right now we on the way to Sunwater Spa. Got a little hot spring tub that we about to get in. And Manitou Springs. So that should be cool. I'm gonna let y'all see what it's talking about when I get there. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this. I'm not riding on it today, but I'm gonna be taking y'all through Manitou Springs next. So this is Manitou Springs. And there's some crazy views. It's hard for me to record because the camera really don't do it no justice. So I'm still making my way through. It's a nice nature walk. Clear your mind. Do what you gotta do. I don't know how long it is, so I'm really just walking. But I don't mind it when I can look at this. So I'm back in downtown Denver. About to run the Target and grab some. But they got the trolley that ride around. They're doing construction right now. But yeah, I'm just chilling, walking. So this is my last night in Denver. with Colorado, I should say, because I've really been to all the little outside other towns. I really haven't really did nothing in Denver too much. So right now I'm about to walk around downtown, show y'all around downtown. It was just a lot of people out when I was just driving around earlier, so I'm about to see right now. So it's really dead out here for real. It's some people out here, but not how it be during the daytime. So what I'm finna do is walk down here by the convention center, which is down this way. So I'm about to walk towards that way, show y'all what's down there. Now, if you're wondering if it's safe, I'm walking around by myself. I feel completely safe. I don't feel at risk or nothing. Nobody paying me no attention. Everybody minding their own business. So I'm just walking, doing my little recording. Well, we almost here. It's about another block down. Excuse me. Back right here next to the hotel, the Hyatt Regency, where I'm staying at. You got the La Meridian right here.
Bye, Richard.
You got Bubba Gump. I just ate here earlier, but I didn't get to record. I done left the camera upstairs. This the trolley I was just talking about coming right now. And this will take you around downtown, come through the city all through the day. I'm walking. About to get the cool, smooth 2 blocks, ain't nothing, you know. We almost there though. So we walking up on it now. This right here is the Colorado Convention Center. And I really came to record this right here, this Big Bear. But there be a lot of different stuff going on in this building, from what I've been told. But man, I swear Denver slept on. People always ask me why I'm coming out here. But that's because I ain't got nothing to worry about. It's smooth. I'm just walking down the street, recording, chilling. Ain't nobody paying me no mind at all. Listen right here. Man. So next, I don't know, the downtown is big, but it's not big, so I'm gonna see where my walk just lead me to. We gonna see. So this is home to Suites by Hilton, right in front of me. I stayed here before. That's a nice hotel if you're looking for hotel recommendations. Right in the middle of downtown. Got good views. Right now I'm just making my way through downtown. Just chilling, man. Cool. It's really not even all that cold for real either. Say it's about 48 degrees. It's the Home 2 Suites I was just talking about. Home 2 Suites by Hilton. Just making my way through here though. Bus coming. And I've been watching a lot of videos about Denver before I've been coming here. This is not my first time here. I've been here a few times, more than a few times, but one of the things I've been seeing just doing my little research is they're talking about the homeless population in Colorado. Denver, one of the cities in Colorado that it's a problem in. But I haven't been seeing them as much downtown. But one thing is, I just never judge because you don't know nobody's story or what happened. And so many people one step away from that happening to them, so you just never judge, never know somebody's story, you know? So this is the 16th Street Mall right here. And they got like H&M, a couple of stores, and I forgot what all it is. But when this all get finished with construction, it's gonna look real nice. But if you ever come to Denver, you wanna check out something, they got bowling. You know, it's probably something you can find in here for you to do. So just the inside of the mall, outside mall. About to see if I can take the elevator up. So I'm in Idaho Springs right now. I just drove to on some random block. I'm out here recording, but I'm about to head to the mine. This was originally a mining town. Back in the 1800s, they had gold and everything out here. So I'm about to go to the mine and show y'all that. But this view, I got to show y'all this view. Man, view crazy. So I'm right here at Argo Mine, which is a gold mine built back in the 1800s during the gold rush when people came west. So this town got a lot of history. All these houses look real old, but they got a nice view. But it's early, so most of the stuff closed. It's about 10 o'clock. A lot of stuff not open yet, so I'm about to head back because this is my last day out here in Colorado. So I'm about to head back towards Denver. I'm gonna show y'all some more after this. So I'm here at the Rocky Mountain Wildlife Arsenal, which you can see bison and all type of animals at. This is my last stop because I'm about to get ready to go. But I'm right here with a nice view once again.